Hello everyone, I'm Zheng. I'm a PhD student from Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. In this presentation, I'm on behalf of myself and my co-author Dakuo Wang, April Wang, and Xiaojuan Ma to present our paper, Telling Stories from Computational Notebooks, AI-Assisted Presentation Slides Creation for Presenting Data Science Work. As we know, data scientists face a lot of technical work, for example, data cleaning, feature engineering, and model building. Besides these technical works, data scientists also need to communicate with the less technical team members, for example, the business decision makers. They need to translate the codes and outcomes into storytelling and present to stakeholders. However, as we may expect it, the creation of such presentation is non-trivial. After data scientists have completed technical works, they will have complex and fragmented codes. Then, they need to locate essential information from such codes and organize this information to construct a story. They also need to consider the context and audience background, and adding additional information to customize the presentation slides. They need to use the final outcome, very often a presentation slides, to better engage the target audience and gain their trust. Considering the difficulties, we wonder, can we automate such process? There have been a lot of research on automation in data science, for example, automate model building and selecting. In our paper, we made another automation effort to support data science work. We chose Jupyter Notebook, which is commonly used by data scientists, and want to transfer it into slides automatically. But I would like to mention that our goal is not to have full automation. Instead, our goal is to let AI take over the lower-level tasks such as locating information in source codes, and human can focus on high-level tasks such as explaining the business value. Together, human and AI can form teams to solve the problem. To motivate the design, we first conducted a formative study with 7 data scientists. They first create presentation slides for our given notebook. Then, they co-design with us on our prepared example slides, which is based on a literature survey. We concluded 5 design requirements from the study. For example, the generation of the slides should consider different backgrounds of the target audience. Also, the system should explain the generation process. Based on the design requirements, we designed MB2 slides to support data scientists to create presentations. On the client side, we designed the user interface of MB2 slides as a plugin for JupyterLab. After the user opens a notebook, he or she can trigger MB2 slides by a button in the menu bar. The system opens a configuration panel for the user to enter some meta information, the background of the intended audience, and the expected level of details of the generated slides. This configuration will be sent to the system's backend and affect the slides generation. Then, the user can click the Generate button, and the system will take dozens of seconds to generate the slides, depending on the length of the input notebook. After the slides are generated, 3 panels are presented. On the very right, there is a rendered presentation slides panel. An outline panel is on its left, for users to easily navigate between different sections of the slides. There is a visualization navigation column called Notebook Overview in the middle, whose function is twofold. First, it provides a visualization overview of the input notebook and helps users navigate the notebook. Second, it provides explanations to the generated slides. When the user selects an automated generated slide, the relevant cells are highlighted in the notebook overview, where the degree of shares encodes the similarity scores of the corresponding cell to the current slide topic. As you might notice in the rendered slides, there are blue dot indicators in some slides to denote that MB2 slides automatically generate them. The user can modify the text in the slides using Markdown-like grammar and copy outputs like plots from notebooks to the slides to enrich the content. Users can also add, delete, or download slides using the Tool panel. For the slides with yellow dots, their corresponding topics are considered to be unsuitable for AI to generate. MB2 slides fill some example-based prompts to these slides. On the back end, for an input notebook, the system will analyze its contents and build a tree to store its relevant text information. On the other hand, a query is formed for each section in our slide template. The templates are what we have co-designed with participants in the formative study, including technical and non-technical versions. A similarity search will be conducted between the embeddings of the text in the notebook and the queries. After the system finds the related cells for a specific section in the slide template, a deep learning model will summarize the codes into bullet points for the generated slides. Related output slide plots will also be carried to the slides. Then, we conducted a user evaluation with 12 data scientists and asked them to prepare slides using MP2 slides. The presentation is for a client team with both business and technical audience. Participants first went through a tutorial, then they read the notebook and create the slides using our system. There are also follow-up questionnaires and interviews after their creation. In total, we collect 5 types of measures from the study process. Here, we present some high-level findings. First, participants found MP2 slides is easy to use. For example, the interactive linking here. Second, participants consider the generated slides from MP2 slides provide a good starting point for data scientists. In the interviews, we also found that data scientists do not want fully automated slide generation. There are 2 strong reasons behind that. First, they thought AI cannot capture the outside world from the notebook. There are business contexts for technical works, which need a brilliant mind behind the notebook to give the storytelling. Second, they found AI cannot uncover the inside secret of the notebook. AI can only summarize what data scientists did, but know why they did it in this way. To sum up, we designed and implemented MP2 Slides, an AI-assisted slides creation system for data science work. The user evaluation results reveal that the slides generated by MP2 Slides are considered to be good raw material. The participants in the evaluation also reported that they were more in favor of having a human intervention to the final slides, as MP2 slides currently have, instead of fully automation. Our system serves as a human-AI collaboration case, in which AI deals with a lot of low-level tasks, and human takes the draft of AI for further customization to fit their scenario. So that's all. Thank you for your listening.